AI can make studying less frustrating, but it could also quietly sabotage your learning. In this video, I'll reveal the surprising ways AI might be holding you back, and at the end, I'll give you my top 5 strategies to use AI without losing your brain power. Imagine this: you've studied for hours, but then it's time to recall and your brain goes blank. Why? Because you have been using AI wrong. AI has tricked you into thinking that you were learning when you weren't. Neuroscience shows powerful learning happens when you wrestle with the material, testing yourself, explaining, and applying it. That struggle builds long-term memory. Easy study isn't real study. I call it feel-good studying. When misused, AI makes you a shallow learner. MIT researchers found that heavy ChatGPT users remembered less and thought less. Students wrote papers and they couldn't even recall what they wrote. They copied and pasted and they skipped the hard thinking. Writing is thinking. You have to constantly be thinking about, well, this goes here, or this belongs over here, or what word should I use? That doesn't sound right. Wrestling with those words, that is where the learning happens. And on top of that, when you write something and you love it, you start to build what's called self-efficacy, confidence. Overusing AI steals that. You lose ownership of your work, and worse, your motivation takes a hit. One 2025 study found that higher AI use was linked to more procrastination. The easier AI made it, the harder it was to get started. Students over-relied on AI, and it actually decreased their motivation because they would just keep putting things off. Am I saying don't use AI? No, but you don't need to hand over your brain. Good tech should always make you think more, not less. Good tech should always make you think more, not less. Here are my top 5 rules for using AI wisely. 5. Use it to get started. That lowers the barrier. But after that, you must do the hard thinking. 4. Treat it like a thought planner. Ask questions, brainstorm, quiz yourself. Never let it ghostwrite for you. 3. Don't settle for the first answer. Dig deeper. Ask follow-up questions. Your results will be better. 2. Verify everything. AI hallucinates. Cross-check with reliable sources. This will also strengthen your critical thinking. Number 1. Follow your professor's rules. Always check the syllabus and disclose when you use AI. How can you make sure you learned while using AI? Before you hit submit, ask yourself, can I explain this in my own words? Can I defend my thinking? Do I know my sources? And is this in my own voice? AI is powerful, but the deep thinking, that's always on you. Use AI to spark ideas, not replace them. That's how you get smarter, sharper, and truly ready for the future. Use AI, but don't hand over your brain to AI. Instead, train it. If this helped, hit subscribe. You got this.